Just to document some progress I've made on my 3D printable keyboard switch. I've made this base. It still needs a bit of work, but I noticed that if I print the wedge that's going to go between them, so that the outside is layer lines, they're nice and smooth, it works well. And that's what this is going to become. It's going to go in there, but it's hard to hold it. So for now, we're just going to use this bigger piece to demonstrate the mechanism. So it's got a reasonably good feel about it, but I can do better, I think. It's a bit squishy, basically. It needs to be more of a clicky feel. Now I can make it really clicky by using friction, and it's a very satisfying crunch. But it's too much actuation force for a keyboard key. So I gotta think about it. Still making progress though.